Good morning. These are Mustad's new jaw locks, inline treble hooks. These are the latest in hook technology and lightest trebles of its class. Mustad used 3 single hooks and the latest in automatic welding technology to produce these new type of treble hooks. Now the sizes here, these are the 3X size, size number 2. These jaw lock trebles will be available in 3X, 4X, and 5X in sizes ranging from 8 to 5/0 or 5/0. Jaw locks are Titan steel coated, pretty cool, huh? It incorporates Ultra Point technology 4.3, and as you know, when you use Ultra Points, those tips stay sharper longer, and it's for prolonged sharpness and durability to extend the life of the hook. Jaw locks barbs have opti-angle needle points that are fully forged with ringed eyes that are auto-welded. These hooks are machined inlines, so every hook is identical to each other. The old style of producing trebles are by braising a double hook to a single hook. Kind of neat, huh? But when you look at it, you can understand it. When you look at your old trebles, it's a double hook braised to a single hook. Didn't know that before. But most of you didn't know that, right? That process was time consuming and having to make trebles one hook at a time. This is a superior salt and freshwater treble design for all forms of fishing. Mustad has been the industry leader in hook design and manufacturing since 1877. Jaw locks were debuted at ICAST at 2022 at booth 223. Also, Mustad has recently acquired Tufline and Live Target fishing companies. So Mustad knows what they're doing. They're acquiring different companies to become bigger and larger. They were the original hook company, and this is just one of their new inventions that will help us fishermen realize we can catch bigger fish with smaller hooks. Thank you.